Understanding Online Tutoring, a Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of online tutoring. Whether you're a student looking for extra help, a professional seeking to enhance your skills, or just curious about what online tutoring entails, this video will give you a comprehensive understanding. Let's dive into the exciting journey of learning online. Online tutoring refers to the process of receiving guidance or instruction over the internet from a tutor. Unlike traditional face-to-face tutoring, this happens virtually using computers or mobile devices. The key components of online tutoring include live interaction with a tutor, use of digital learning materials, and the flexibility of learning from any location. It's a convenient and effective way to access personalized education. One of the major advantages of online tutoring is its flexibility. Students can schedule sessions at times that suit them, making it easier to fit learning into busy lives. Additionally, online tutoring provides access to a wide range of expert tutors from around the world, ensuring that students can find the perfect match for their learning needs. The use of interactive tools and resources also makes learning more engaging and effective. In this section, we'll walk you through the typical setup of an online tutoring session. It usually involves a video call, where the tutor and student can see and hear each other. Tutors often use digital whiteboards to explain concepts and share resources like worksheets or quizzes through screen sharing. Communication tools such as chat and file sharing are also integral to online tutoring, making the exchange of information seamless. When selecting an online tutoring service, consider factors like tutor qualifications, the subjects offered, the technology used, and the price. It's also important to read reviews and maybe even have a trial session to ensure the service meets your expectations. Remember, the right service should align with your learning goals and personal preferences. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what online tutoring is and how it can benefit you. Online tutoring opens up a world of possibilities for learners, offering flexibility, a wide range of resources, and access to expert guidance. If you're considering online tutoring, we encourage you to explore your options and find a service that fits your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!